Depending on the arm you're going to do, that's how you know where you're going to lay the cable. This exercise, we're going to lay it on the floor. We're going to do her right arm, so we're going to lay it this way, and the handle's going to be on the right side of her body. So go ahead and grab that there. You want to step on it to where you feel comfortable. You're going to know your body. You've got to feel your body, so the weight you have to decide. Go ahead, turn it, perfect. Bend your knees slightly, put your hand on your side, chest up nice and strong, abs are always kept solid. She's looking straight, wrist is straight, not bending back and forth. Go ahead, come up in a triangular motion, so this way. And then you come down right when your elbow meets your shoulder. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up, and get that shoulder working nice and hard. Look how her arm is in the center of her body. It's not back or forward, perfectly in the center. Make sure when your arm comes down, it's a perfect 90-degree angle. If your hand is out here, it's going to put pressure on the bicep. We don't want that, so make sure you keep it a 90-degree angle.